welcome to Amapiano Zone UK. So a Sgija breakdown video. It's just gonna be a quick one, won't be too long. I hope you enjoy what's here. So I'm just gonna go through each of the elements as quickly as I can. Just a simple, somewhat simple chord progression here. Oh, wrong side. It's sort of like mellow chords. Bit of tension. Then we got our drums here. Then we got another synth here, just a simple synth. Got another sound here. It's got a few automations, just for a bit of texture, sonic texture. And we got our bass here. This is a great bass, guys. Use this one. It's in the free Bass Utopia kit. You can find it there. And of course we got the pad. Just a simple pad sound. And then I also wanted to mention a soundtrack with a bit of texture. Sorry. With some reverb as well, just to make it stand out. And we got our sample. I sampled this Uyavela meme. This Uyavela meme. This Uyavela meme. Vocal chops. Our second pad. And then for the drop, we had the classic GMP shaker and clap. This is how it sounds like with all the drums. All in all, the drum sounds like this. and just some more sounds here, just some bells, just for ambience. Then we go again. So I hope you guys found that quite informative and useful. It's just I like making these kinds of like Amapiano, which is just quite cool and mellow. So I hope this particular project is of use to someone, and as usual, you will find this in description to download for free. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you all again.